It's 2022 and you've just walked in your favorite electronics store to buy the latest and greatest gadgets. You're excited to get your hands on a new technological gem. But do you know which of these gadgets are worth your hard-earned money? Check out this video to find out. What's your nightstand style? Do you prefer a clear lucite bubble or an elegant magnifier? The first gadget on today's list is the NightWatch, a watch stand for the Apple Watch that lets you show off your timepiece. The NightWatch is the perfect accessory for anyone who wants to see their Apple Watch time larger and more clearly around bedtime. You just place it on top, push it into the charging plug, which also functions as a lid, then drop the device inside. As easy as pie with its one-of-a-kind design. Next one is the Glove 80, an incredible, comfortable, ergonomic keyboard. This wireless keyboard has a unique split key design that conforms to the natural curvature of your hands, minimizing discomfort and fatigue. The Glove 80 is made with premium silicone material and includes a built-in backlight for typing in the dark. It also splits into two parts to perfectly adjust to your body, making it your perfect travel companion. Now for a funny one. Suntable, made by Shadecraft, is a beautiful and multifunctional table that can be used as outdoor or indoor furniture. It features a shaded shelf for wireless charging and a solar panel with a 12-inch diameter that protects your phone from UV exposure while it's charging. You'll love how this amazing product adds class in any setting: patio, garden, poolside, bedroom, wherever you need some extra power outlets or style. It also features a Bluetooth speaker to enhance every party. Blizwheel E-Scooter is the next must-have on our list. This foldable electric scooter is perfect for short to medium distances and can reach speeds up to 15 miles per hour. It only takes a few minutes to set up this lightweight and durable scooter, which folds up easily for transport in your car or the bus. The Blizwheel can also connect to your phone to tell you your speed, distance traveled, and how much battery life you have left, so you'll never be surprised while out on any of your adventures. We all know that cycling and pizza go together like peanut butter and jelly. It's a social activity. You ride in groups, and you enjoy your food together with friends. Based on this assumption, the project Rotory cutter was born, creating a small and awesome bike-themed rotary cutter. It's highly aesthetic and made with premium materials, and it's also one of our favorite gadgets just because it's so darn cool. The next pick for today's list is the world's first emotional mask called Qudi. You might as well make the most of it. The Qudi Mask is embracing our hatred for masks by creating a new type that can express your emotions through LEDs. Basically, there are lights in this thing and they react when you nod or shake your head. You also get 6 pre-programmed emotions, including smiley faces and angry expressions. But if those don't do anything, then we suggest editing their programming because creativity isn't limited solely to human input after all. The best way to avoid wearing a belt is by using the bucqle. This stylish solution clips onto your pants and acts just like one, without being uncomfortable or inelegant. It's made from premium materials so you can wear it for any occasion. Plus, its size ensures that every man or woman will find their perfect fit with this single product. The last one is the Skydio 2 Plus. The Skydio is the perfect drone for anyone who wants to shoot amazing video footage without any of the hassles. This intuitive device uses advanced computer vision and artificial intelligence algorithms to track and follow its subjects, keeping them in the frame at all times, even if they're running or jumping. You'll never have to worry about getting that perfect shot again with this amazing piece of technology. It also comes with amazing features that can perform complex movements and obstacle avoidance. There you have it, our top gadgets for 2022. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed finding them. Be sure to check back soon for more on the latest and greatest innovations in technology.